Hello there, and welcome to Mills Hill Station, the only station in the world that can proudly boast that it smells of Sarson's vinegar. The factory located mere feet away from this location. The Manchester and Leeds Railway was formally opened on Wednesday the 3rd of July 1939, when a large number of directors and friends gathered to take part in the ceremony, accompanied by the band of the 86th Infantry. The first of the two trains was drawn by locomotives Stephenson and Kenyon and consisted of 11 carriages. Mills Hill Station was reached at 12:38 p.m. As the train approached the station, the conductor gave forth with "God Save the Queen" on his bugle, the band of the 86th soon taking up the strain of the anthem. Mills Hill Station is located 5 3/4 miles away from Manchester. Mills Hill Station is located here, on a 1 in 152 gradient between Moston Station and Castleton Station on the Calder Vale line. Mills Hill lies on Middleton's communal boundary with Chadderton, and thus serves both communities. Originally opened on July the 4th, 1839, the station closed in August 1842. And the current station was opened in March 1985. During the temporary closure of the Oldham Loop line for its conversion to Metrolink Light Rail in 2009, the station acted as the informal railhead for most of the Oldham Borough until its completion in 2012. In December 2014, Mills Hill Station was awarded part of a £60 million jackpot fund to improve access to passengers. The station would also get an accessibility route into the station and between each platform. Harry Aldrich from the Friends of Mills Hill said, "We are delighted with the news of the funding. It is Christmas come early. The work won't be completed until 2019, but at this moment in time, we don't care if it's the first station to have the work done or the last. We are just so pleased that we are going ahead. Getting this disabled access is important because at the minute, people are really struggling, even mums with prams, so the improvements are really going to help. This comes as part of the package shared among 26 stations announced by Transport Minister Baroness Kramer. In October 2017, the National Union of Rail, Maritime and Transport, the RMT, said it fears Mills Hill will become a crime hotspot with no-go areas for vulnerable and disabled passengers if Northern Rail proceeds to reduce the number of guards on trains. Northern is planning for at least 50% of its services to have no guards, with many lines and routes completely unstaffed. Greater Manchester has announced a £450,000 scheme to increase the park and ride capacity at Mills Hill Station. The work that began in March 2019 will see the number of spaces increased from 24 to 58, including 3 extra wide spaces. In addition to the increase in parking spaces, new lighting and CCTV have been installed at the station. Work is expected to be completed in July 2021. The work at the station has taken longer than originally planned due to engineering issues. Simon Smith, sponsor of Network Rail, said, "We are sorry to passengers that our accessibility upgrades at Mills Hill Station to provide step-free access to both platforms is taking longer than hoped. Unforeseen drainage complications on Oldham Road and the impact of the coronavirus lockdown has caused much delay."
Doors opening. Lift going up. building.
On our last 2 visits to the station, the lift has been non-operational, meaning that access to the Rochdale side is now by the new stairs only. Whether this is a long-term problem, we cannot comment, but the original ramp that had been replaced did provide some possibility to exit the station for the disabled. When asked about the issue, Northern staff at Manchester Victoria informed me that wheelchair users are required to continue to Rochdale and return to the opposite platform, adding an additional hour to the journey. But if they were informed in advance of travel, a taxi would be provided. Chris Jackson, Regional Director of Northern, said, "I would like to ask customers for their continued patience while the improvement work is carried out. We are working hard to make sure the stations are safe, accessible and welcoming to passengers, and I am confident that the enhanced facilities at Mills Hill will be welcomed." Residents and locals continue to inform this channel of disruptions and problems surrounding this project, together with issues regarding the upcoming reduced rail services. But hopefully, after 2 long years, Mills Hill Station and the surrounding area will get back to some form of normality in the near future.